It's day 4 of our 30-day decluttering challenge. I'm so proud of you for showing up today. We're going to be in the pantry or wherever it is in your kitchen that you store food, even if it's just one cabinet. Do me a favor and actually move to that space right now. Don't just passively watch this on your couch. Let's do this together and make a real difference in your home, because here's the amazing thing. We only have to spend 5 minutes and find 5 things to go. So are you ready? Go to the pantry or wherever you store food. On your mark, get set. Let's declutter. My pantry is sadly empty, friends. I need to go grocery shopping very bad. It's been a crazy week. But this is actually a really good time to declutter before you go grocery shopping. And here's why. You really can take inventory of what you have, what you need, and you can let go and make room by letting go of the stuff that you don't eat. And a good place to start are things like snack boxes. I picked this up. It is empty. My kids ate all the crackers and put the empty box back. But you'll probably also find stale chips, stale crackers, stale cookies in this space. Let's actually take a second and take a look. Mostly we have no food in here. All we have is potato chips. That's my fault. But a lot of these, I know for a fact, are completely stale. So I'm gonna just let those go. Like this, gone, gone. You guys ever had spicy dill pickle chips by Miss Vicky's? Surprisingly delicious. You must try them. Okay, so this is all good. We're not organizing. We are not going through and making piles. We are just finding things to leave and getting them out. Also, this is a great time to take a look at food that you've purchased that maybe you, like fantasy you, thought would be a good idea, like quinoa. I heard healthy people eat quinoa. I'm not even sure what it is, and I definitely don't know how to cook it, and I definitely am never going to eat it. So I'm like, I gotta lose weight. I better buy weird stuff because that's what healthy people. And then so whatever. I'm gonna make a separate pile for things that I can drop off at the food bank because it's not doing anyone any favors in here. In fact, every time I look at it, I'm like, listen, fatty, you should eat this disgusting quinoa. And that's toxic. So it is leaving. Make quick decisions. I don't have a lot of food to go through, but donating to the food bank is a really good thing that you can do. By the food, if you bought those dad cookies from Costco and you realize they're disgusting, let them go, man. Drop them off. Somebody will love them. Somebody that's not you. I have no food. Oh, I bought all these shakings for the top of my popcorn, and they were very expensive, but the truth is I don't like them. We never eat them. I'm gonna let these go. I'm at 6 things. I hope you found some things too. Getting rid of the stale, getting rid of the things your family doesn't like, and seriously taking inventory, if you're like me, of all the things you have to buy. This is crazy sad. I got no food. All right. It's gonna be a while to get to 5 minutes. Oh, I do have moldy potatoes in here. A whole bag of sad, stinky potatoes. All right, cool. How are you guys doing? I'm feeling good about this. Got rid of lots of things. Definitely made some room for the trip to the grocery store. Hope you're feeling pumped. This is not about pulling everything out and making a huge mess. This is about making it better, making a little bit of room in all the different spaces in your home. That's all we got to do. So get your butt back here tomorrow for day 5 when we declutter another space. I'll see you then. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I feel like I don't have any super embarrassing grocery store stories or really a lot of pantry stories, but I do have a slightly traumatic experience that once happened at the grocery store, and that is I was robbed by a geriatric track star. Hashtag true story. Okay, so I'm with my son. We're at the grocery store and he's sitting in like the little baby seat thing. He's like maybe 2. And I was looking at produce when all of a sudden I caught a glimpse out of the corner of my eye. Someone reached in our diaper bag, took out my wallet, and started running towards the exit. She's so old, you guys. So old. My first thought is, hey, I shouted, hey, she stole my wallet. Then it's like, I can chase her down. She's gotta be 85 years old. So I grab the cart and I start running after this lady while screaming, chasing her through the grocery store, chasing her out the exit, chasing her through the parking lot with the cart. My kid thinks it's the greatest day. Woo! Because we're running so fast. I don't know if it's because I'm out of shape, but I'm pretty sure she was a track star. This is the fastest elderly woman I've ever seen in my life. I could not catch her. And I lost my wallet. Super sad story. My husband had to come. I had to cancel all my cards. They ended up finding it, I kid you not, behind a retirement residence in a dumpster like 2 months later. Did she live there? I'm pretty freaking sure. Also, how is she so fast? And she probably needed the $5 that was in there more than I did. So I don't have a moral of this story, except maybe keep stretching and running because one day you might need $5 and you can outrun a chick at the grocery store too. We'll see you guys next time.